Assalamualaikum and good morning, children. Okay, how are you today? I hope you are good and you are ready to learn English. Okay, so today is Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday, 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 Selasa, 29 June 2021. 29 Jun 2021, 29 hari bulan 6 tahun 2021, and our class is Wan Mutiara and the subject is English. And first of all, good morning everyone. Okay, selamat pagi. Okay, so today, I want you to answer your module page 71. Okay, modul muka surat 71. Okay, first of all, dekat bahagian day, I want you to write the day. Okay, tuliskan hari ni. Hari apa? Tuesday. Okay, so please write here Tuesday, and the date here is 29th June 2021. This one, date. Okay, tuliskan di sini, di bahagian date. And then, complete the sentences. Then draw your favorite animals. Okay, lengkapkan ayat. Kemudian lukis haiwan kegemaran kamu. Okay, so bahagian kosong ini awak perlu lukis satu haiwan. Bukan satu lah. Boleh lebih daripada satu pun boleh. No problem. Okay. Okay, kita tengok ayat dulu. Okay. I like and I like and. Saya suka tempat kosong and tempat kosong. Alright, meaning that kena tulis nama animals yang awak suka di sini. Here one animal and here one animal. Okay, so ada two animals lah dekat sini. For example, contoh cat and rabbit. And then, tempat kosong, are my favorite. Okay, are my favorite. Okay, paling suka. Maksudnya lagi satu animals kena tulis dekat sini. Yang awak paling suka. Okay, yang berlainan dengan animals dekat sini dan dekat sini. Okay. I don't like. Saya tak suka. Okay, animals yang awak tak suka, tulis dekat bawah ini. Okay. Okay, saya bagi contoh. I'll give you an example. Okay, for example. Okay, kejap. Okay, this one. I like. Okay. Contohnya, I like cat. Okay. I like cat. I like cat. And one more, suka apa? Maybe you like rabbit. Okay. Okay. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Okay. Besarkan sikit. Alright, I like cat and rabbit. Contoh, are my favorite. Okay, tambah S lah. Cats and rabbits. Okay, are my favorite. Okay, lagi satu haiwan yang paling awak suka. Okay, contohnya apa yang awak suka? Maybe birds. Okay, birds lah. Kita ambil birds. Mungkin awak suka burung. Okay, we write here bird. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Okay. Okay, birds. And then bawah dia, I don't like. Saya tak suka. Okay, bawah tulis satu haiwan yang awak tak suka. Okay, for example, tak suka snakes lah. Kalau macam saya tak suka snacks. I don't like snacks. So S-N-A-K-E-S. Okay. And then besarkan. Alright. Okay, ini contoh this is example. Okay. So, dekat bahagian atas ni, kotak ni, lukis haiwan yang awak suka. Okay. You like cats, rabbit, birds. Okay, so boleh lukis cat, rabbit, birds. Okay. Okay. Kita baca lagi sekali. Please follow me. I like cats and rabbits. Bird. Oh, sorry. Salah this one. Birds. Permulaan ayat mesti huruf besar. Okay, capital letter. Okay. Okay. I like cats and rabbits. Birds are my favorite. I don't like snakes. Okay. Ini contoh sahaja. Animals ini boleh tukar mengikut kesukaan murid-murid. Okay. So that's all for today and see you again. Bye.